Hello dear students, hope you all fine and healthy at your place. In our last video, we have started chapter 2, computer memory, the storage devices. In that video, we have covered some topics such as computer being an electronic device. It stores, it processes everything in the form of electronic data value and data representation in computer. So today we are going to learn the classification of computer memory. Computer memory can be classified into two parts, that is primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory is what? It is also known as internal or main memory of the computer. Data in this memory is stored in the form of bits. Bits is what? 0 and 1. There are two types of primary memory, that is RAM and ROM. RAM. RAM is random access memory. This is temporary memory. So the information stored in it is lost as soon as we switch off the computer electricity supply. That means whatever work you are doing in a computer, suppose the electricity turned off, so the information, whatever the work, whatever you are doing, it will disappear, it will lost. That's why it is also called a volatile memory. It stores the user's data and instructions along with the result produced by the system. Next is ROM. ROM is read-only memory. It is a permanent electronic memory. The startup instructions for the computer are stored permanently in the form of binary digits. It holds these instructions even after the power supply is switched off. These instructions cannot be overwritten but can be read by the system only. That's why it is called non-volatile memory. That means we cannot write again in this memory. Only we can read it. Next is secondary memory. Right now we have covered the two classification of primary memory, that is RAM and ROM. Now next is secondary memory. This is also known as external memory and it stores users' data permanently for later use. It holds the information till it is erased or changed. This is used to store all the software to be used and the file which we create using these software. We can have the fixed or portable storage device which can be used as per their needs. Some commonly used secondary storage devices are hard disk, compact disk, and compact disk are divided into three types. So first is hard disk. This is the main storage device fixed inside the CPU box. It has huge storage capacity which can range from 50 GB to 5 TB. Hard disk is actually made up of multiple metallic disks coated with magnetic material. These disks are known as platters. Information on these disks is recorded on both the sides in the form of concentric circle called tracks, which are further divided into sections. Now compact disc. It is a thin plastic disc coated with the reflective metal Data in these disks is stored optically. Its stored capacity is up to 700 MB and it can store variety of data like pictures, movies, sound, etc. Now CDs can be of different type. First is CD-ROM. In this, data is stored at the time of manufacturing which cannot be erased or changed. Next is CDR. These are the recordable CDs on which data can be stored but once only. Next is CDRW. These are rewrite-able disk and their data can be changed anytime if needed. Next is digital versatile disk, that is DVD. These are also the optical storage devices like CDs, but their storage capacity is very high. A single layered DVD can store up to 4.7 GB. GB is what? Gigabyte. It is the highest storage unit in the computer memory, whereas a double-sided DVD can store up to 17.08 GB of data. These are mainly used to store high quality videos and audio file. Next is flash drive. It is an electronic device which is popular and known as pen drive. It is a plug and play device and can be easily connected to the system through USB. USB is the known as, it is a port called Universal Serial Bus. That's why it is also known as USB flash drive. Because of its small size and reliability, it has replaced the floppy drive and CD drive. Its store capacity can range from 1 GB of 1 TB. Next is Blu-ray disc. This is a new invention in the field of optical storage devices. Its stores capacity can be range from 25 GB to 50 GB and it can store audio and video data in a very high quality. These are also scratch resistant disk and can safely store the data for a long time, as they use blue violet laser light to store the data. These are named as Blu-ray disc. Now last is memory stick. This is a removable flash memory card, also known as multimedia card. It is high capacity, high speed storage device generally used in mobile, camera, tablet, PlayStation and etc. Its storage capacity can range from 1 GB to 512 GB. So here chapter 2 ends. If you have any doubt, any queries, please write down in the comment section, and if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and stay home, stay safe and stay positive.